Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jigglar, and today I'm going to take you through a very simple process whereby you can grab images, hundreds of images, thousands of images, tens of thousands of images, in fact hundreds of thousands of images from this site called unsplash.com. And you can create, here's a couple of examples. I've just got this surfing one. Surfs up and so are house prices on the Gold Coast. Call or text number to find out how much your home is worth. Here's one that I've just created for a Facebook banner cover, which is all the correct proportion, buying or selling real estate in Toronto. And there's a skyline, twilight or morning shot or whatever it might be of Toronto, the city. So let me just show you quickly how to get started and how to do it. Firstly, you're going to go to unsplash.com and you're going to grab the image that you want. So which was the shot that I grabbed? I think it was something like that one there. So that's in fact that's the one I did. So it's basically a matter of clicking and downloading like that, and it downloads. There it is. I'm just going to throw the image onto my screen and I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to jump into my account. So how I did this, pretty simple. Let me start from scratch. I'll show you how it works. And in fact, I'll leave the copy there. So I can, no, let me delete it. I'll start from scratch. So I've already uploaded that image into my Jigglar library. You need to do that first. If you haven't, you've got to click to upload it here. You've got to find it, bang, and go from there. I've already uploaded to save ourselves a little bit of time. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the shape where I want the image to go. So I just quickly, let me just show you that again. I clicked on this shape tool. I grab new rectangle. There it is. It automatically comes up. So I put it up in the corner and I drag it down to the bottom right, and it's as simple as that. Now when it's highlighted like that, where you can see these little dots, which means it's highlighted, I can place an image into shape. So that's highlighted. I click on this tool here, and here's my shot of Toronto that looks like that. I click insert media and bang, it goes straight in there like that. Now for some text, let me grab something here. So I just say what I want to say, buying or selling in Toronto, with a question mark. And look, true confessions, full disclosure, I am going through a little bit of an Abril fat face font stage at the moment. I just like that font. Don't know why I like it, I just think it looks pretty cool. But as you can see here, you've got lots and lots and lots of fonts to choose from in your Jigglar account, which is exciting. We are big font lovers at Jigglar. So grab the font that you like, something that's pretty easy to read, something that you think reflects your personality or your style. Buying or selling in Toronto, that's a little big. I want to be able to bring that down, that size down there like that. So if you're having, what's important here is that you can actually see the copy, see your writing on a dark background. So here we've got white writing on a dark background. So I'd like that to stand out a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my photo of Toronto and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, like that. There we go. Buying or selling in Toronto. See how that stands out a little bit more? So there it is. Bang. I can put, if I want to put some copy underneath that, I could. I'm just going to click Control C and Control V there, or Command C, Command V if you're on a Mac. And I might be able to say here, call Jerry Jones on 657-503-6613. And there we have it. It's essentially that easy. Maybe I want to put that in another color. Let's see what it looks like in another color. The good thing about Jigglar is you can just have a play with it and see what happens. That's pretty easy to see. Okay, I like that. Move that down a little bit, and it's essentially ready to go, right? So then at that point, I can click save. I'm going to save it to my Jiggles. I'm going to give it a name, and there you go. Now while it's happening, I'll jump into this other. Here's another one I've done. So I just grabbed a surfing photo. It came yellow like that. I didn't put a filter or anything on it. Surfs up and so are house prices on the Gold Coast, etc. So you can download that. That's actually a Facebook post image, and this one here that we've saved is a Facebook cover image. So I can choose to download. I can download it to my media. There it is, test. I'm going to double click that. I'm going to open the file. There it is there. I'm going to drag that just onto my desktop. So that's pretty easy to do. And I'm going to click out of there. I'm going to go to my Facebook page, which is right there like that. And I'm going to click here to go edit. I'm going to go upload photo. So there's the one that I just did. And if I want to keep that photo, I simply click save. It's going to give me the option in a moment after it's just finished uploading. So the thing I love about Unsplash, lots of professional photos, lots of professional photographers, hundreds of thousands of options, etc. So it's all very, very easy to do. And where's that one that I've just saved? There it is. So buying or selling in Toronto. So I can drag it, I can redo it. In fact, what I probably should do, you can see how it's in the way of my face there. I should have thought of that. So what I need to do is just to move this over a little bit to the right. Then I can go ahead and save it. So you've got plenty of options. Go to Unsplash, download some beautiful photos, have some fun with it. Cheers and take care, everybody. Dream big and take names.